Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 23rd of March 2023. Then I'm going to show you some positions that you can make and see what's going to happen next. Then I'm going to show you the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. But before we start this video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see, the price is we were in a channel. Let's switch to 4-hour time frame. That we can see we were in this channel. We broke out of that, we started going up, and in my previous analysis I told you that okay, we had this support area here, okay, which was broken, and right now this support area is a resistance area for us, okay. And you know, if we see some nice reactions in, we haven't touched that level yet, but if we touch that in 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, we can go for a sell position. And also you have to have this trend line too in your mind, which you can go for a buy position with a break out of that. I myself I will enter a buy position if I see a break out of this, okay. I don't care, I will not care about this resistance area here, because it is my strategy, and I do trade based on breakouts rather than trading based on support and resistances. But we can actually sometimes trade with resistance and supports too. And yeah, I told you that if we see a breakout of this, we can go for a buy position. Okay, let's switch to the part which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. Welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart, 5-minute time frame, 22nd of March. Then we're gonna see 5 positions I made and see what's how I enter positions and how I set my stop losses. Then you can trade based on them and make money real. As you can see, on the first position we did have this trend line. Let me zoom in that we can see better. We had this trend line with 1 touch, 2 touches. Actually it is like this: 1, 2, 3 touches. On the first time it was broken here, we could enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us something around RR4 here. On the second position we did have this trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 2.5. On the trade 3 we did have this area here, resistance area, okay. If I can draw that for you, we had this area like this one, and the price touched that level, okay, and made a pin bar for us. We can risk on that because it is a resistance area and the candle we want, okay. We can risk on that and go for a sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gave us something around 5.7 here. On the trade 4 we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here or even here, and look for risk reward 2, which gives us something around 4.3. On the last position we did have this small trend line here with 1 touch, 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here, we could enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us something around RR15, something near that, which is a really nice reward. It means we can lose 15 positions in a row, which we are not going to do that, but you know, it happens sometimes, but impossible 15 positions in a row, okay. You know, if you in the real market, if you extend it like this one again, you know, we were profitable again, you know, still we were profitable because we could enter buy position here, put our stop loss below this candle or somewhere safer here, and look for our reward. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.